Hi, my name's Kurt DeBerg, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how I flipped my Principles of Accounting course. It's Principles of Financial Accounting. So that's at Chico State, that's Financial Accounting Course 201. Now, to flip a course, it means students must watch videos first, and when they hide the videos, then it's time for them to do their reading assignment. After they've done the reading assignment, now they're ready for the homework. And when they download their homework, they can submit it directly to the course management system, which here at Chico State is Blackboard Learn. And if a student misses class and they say, "Coach, what have I missed?" I say they missed their clicker quiz, and here's what we've done in class. So if they miss class, that's what we've done in class. Now, some of my best students are getting A's just through this system without coming to class. So if a student makes an A on the first midterm, they're invited not to come to class anymore, but they have to make an A or a B on the final to maintain that A. Okay, flipping the classroom, videos to watch. Okay, this is Thursday session 4. The videos I've created are in Excel.
Welcome to Excel lesson number 3.
So the students will
Rachel
watch that.
wins the lottery and starts a business.
Okay,
In the first 2 lessons,
and of course, I'm going to bring over here to show you Rachel's personal database. My very first assignment on week 1 is for students to make a list of 10 things they own, 2 debts that they owe, and they each must compute their personal equity. And then they do a budget for the month. And God, the parents love it when their students learn how to do a budget. But this lady, Rachel, earns money. Notice how that's a formula. 4 weeks, $11 an hour, $8 an hour. 4 weeks, 11 times 8 times 90% take home. So students calculate her take home pay based on the number of weeks and number of hours. Cash up, equity earned up. I call that equity earned before we label it a revenue. And she also gets a big grant from the McConnell Foundation of $5,000. She doesn't have to pay that back, so students know that her net worth goes up there. And then she calculates all of her expenditures for the month, most of which are expenses. But one of her expenditures is she pays back her debt. So the students see that the fundamental accounting equation here, they have to balance. So we have an equation over here, making sure left equal right. And this is ingenious. And at the end of the month, they make adjusting entries to show how many groceries were used up. She started with 50, she bought 80, she ended up counting 65, so she used up 65. And then she depreciates all of her long-term assets. All right, and at the end of the month, they are now able to prepare their balance sheet. And this all happens on the 4th session of the semester. This is the end of the 2nd week. They also prepare an income statement with all changes in their equity. Now, students aren't encumbered with debits and credits and shareholders' equity and corporate forms of business and the FASB and the SEC. I want them to know how journal entries, transactions affect their personal net worth. Now, look, I'm making a video now. If I wanted to, I could switch over to a PowerPoint presentation, which I hardly even need anymore. But for this particular session, session 4, let's see, is that session 4 PowerPoint? I'm calling up actually session 3. But if I wanted to use PowerPoint, I could. And look at that. I can't do full screen mode here, but you can see that making this video is not hard to do. But the key is, let's go back to our main Flip Classroom site. Students watch the video.
In lesson 1, Rachel prepared her personal budget for the month of January.
Let's pause that. And then the internet assignments, they either go to Wikipedia or they go to things that I've written myself. Now, why Wikipedia? Because that's pretty darn informative. I didn't need to go to any textbook to do that, and that's 1 page of vital information. It's not 3 pages. If they want more information, they can dig deeper into this. But right now, in the first week, I'm trying to convince students that accounting is a powerful tool for them to succeed in business. Now, this last step here, Rachel's personal database, the students download that, and it takes a moment to load up. And their assignment for tomorrow is to take all of Rachel's transactions for the 2nd month, and they have to hover over the comment, and they make the journal entries. And when they make all the journal entries, they can prepare a balance sheet And of course, if their Luca Pacioli check is 0, they can do an income statement. And their assignment for next Tuesday is to do exactly that. They have to build an income statement and a balance sheet for Rachel's personal financial information. We hide the assignments there, and then we look at the homework. We can do the homework, and the students can automatically upload that. And when they hide the homework, they are done. That's it for this. In the next video, I'll show you how to use Camtasia, but I'm using Camtasia right now, and I'm showing a colleague how to do it. This video is 5 minutes and 45 seconds long. I'm out for now. Goodbye.